Andy, I hear you like spicy food. Is that true?
Not exactly, but I'm willing to try.
Alright.
Hola, amigas.
Today we're making some Mexican hot dogs with the Salsa Molcajete. We're here with
Andy.
We're gonna start off by wrapping up our hot dogs in bacon. We're using the right brand.
It's the right thing to do?
Yeah. That was good. Hey.
Jeez. Hey, I know I'm a guest.
Okay?
I know I'm a guest on your show.
Uh-huh.
I would really appreciate it if you didn't stab me while I was here.
Okay, I'll try not to.
Okay.
So let's start wrapping these hot dogs up. With our hot dogs, we're also going to make a salsa molcajete, so let's add these tomatoes to the griddle. We have some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and some onion. You can never go wrong with some onion. So we could add those to the griddle.
And the hot dogs?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I'm putting the dome over the tomatoes to get them charred, but also juicy, while our hot dogs finish cooking.
Hey, Karina, do you want to season these bell peppers?
Yes, let's add some street taco seasoning from Blackstone.
All right, Karina, tell me about this salsa, because I know that you're always making salsas.
Yes, I love me a salsa molcajete. This is a red salsa. We're going to start off by throwing 3 garlic cloves and our chiles de árbol. Chiles de árbol are really spicy, so get ready to get spiced up.
Oh boy, okie dokie, let's do it.
Now we can add our red tomato. We're going to hold these by the stem to make sure we get all the juices out. Then of course our salt and some chopped cilantro. Ooh, Andy, it looks like the bell peppers and onions are ready. Let's take these off the griddle.
Yeah, let's give these one more toss. We'll load these into a bowl and pull those on over to our cutting board. These are almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the heat on this side over here, where your tomatoes were. And I'm gonna slide these dogs over here. Kind of let them finish out of the way, so that way we can do our buns over on this side. I'm gonna show you a trick that CJ taught me.
Ooh, let's see.
With hot dog buns and quesadilla melting cheese. So first we're gonna come on over to the griddle. We're gonna do a little pile about the size of a hot dog bun, and you put it directly on the griddle so that way it melts. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these hot dog buns and we're gonna open them up and lay them flat right on top of this cheese here, so that way we get a nice crispy cheese skirt on the inside of our hot dog bun.
I've done this on tacos, but I've never done it on a hot dog.
Oh, it's gonna change your life. All right, it's been a couple minutes. Our cheese has gotten nice and melty and a little crispy. Let's go ahead and pull these buns off and over to the cutting board. And I think our dogs are ready too. Karina, do you want to help me load these into these buns here?
Yes, let's put them in.
And now that these are here, we can kind of dress these dogs up, right?
Yes, yeah. We're gonna add our bell pepper, our sour cream, our queso cotija, and our salsa.
I cannot wait to get into this.
I'm so excited.
Let's take a bite.
Let's do it. Taste test?
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I'm a little worried about the salsa.
You got this.
It smells spicy.
You're not paying for it now. It's later.
Oh,
so let's not
okay.
think about it.
So that's future Andy's problem.
Yes.
Let's send it.
Let's do it.
Wow.
What do you think?
Oh my God, it's so hot.
Future tasting.
Oh, it's hot, but good Lord, that is really good. CJ, thank you for the cheese crust trick. That is a really valuable tip.
You got it, babe.
I'm really scared to take another bite of this.
Yeah, but you got it.
Oh.
Go, you got it. Hey. He did that, guys. We cooked some bomb hot dogs with CJ cheese crust. With CJ cheese crust. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye.
Bye. Love you.